Hello, my name is Amar Reed, and I have titled this presentation, Only a Matter of Time. My purpose is to show young people and older people that it is possible to achieve your dreams as long as you fight, you're persistent, and you don't give up. My personal goal is to get in shape, my career goal is to coach in the NFL, and my educational goal is to never stop learning. My long-term goal is to get in shape. I want to lose 40 pounds, lower my body fat percentage. This is important to me because I want to be around to be able to play with my kids, train with them, go to the gym with them, have fun, play sports with them, and things like that. This goal relates to my purpose statement because my dream is to play professional football. And so staying in shape, staying motivated, never giving up, never throwing in the towel, and things like that really helped me to pursue this goal and this dream, and it's part of my belief to not give up and fight to the end. One obstacle that could potentially prevent me from this long-term personal goal is throwing in the towel, which is just simply giving up. Two of the things that I could do from my Clifton strengths is my achiever and my responsibility. My long-term academic goal is to never stop learning. This is important to me because aspiring to be a leader, you always have to be learning different people, different strategies, and different ways to help people out or solve problems. Again, aspiring to be a leader of my children, my family, people around me, you have to be willing to learn different methods of learning and understanding and different styles of people's learning, and so I think that that's very important. One obstacle that can get in my way and prevent me from achieving this goal is voices of other people discouraging me, or voices of me telling myself that I'm not good enough, or me beating myself down, or me talking down on myself and telling me what I'm not instead of telling me what I am. And two of the things that I can do for my Clifton strengths from this is to my learning ability and my belief ability. My long-term career goal is to coach in the NFL. That is important to me because leading people and helping them understand their potential and what they can and can achieve through their abilities is something that I believe that coaching would help me bring to the table for a lot of people. This relates to my dream because, again, I love football, I love community, I love people, I love families, and so I believe that me being able to speak to a young generation, an upcoming generation, the children or the people of tomorrow, just being able to impart into them and inspire them with what I've gone through, I believe would really help. And one obstacle that I know would get in my way is not working towards this goal, just being lazy, not applying myself, not pursuing the resources that I need to get the job done, I know would definitely discourage me and stop me from achieving this goal. Last but not least, Valencia will help me to achieve these goals by the research methods and the tools that are available to us through tutoring and different things like that would help me learn to reach out into my community and other resources that are there available given by our government or by our communities or whoever would provide opportunities. And so just learning how to research through the school is going to teach me how to research in real life, if you will. So that's it for me. Thanks.